Belinda Richards is a founder of Frog Dog Studios, photographer and master piddle cleaner, 18 years experience working with animals including working as a groomer, animal welfare and emergency services. According to Belinda, I spend my days speaking fluent dog. Well, sort of. I make funny noises and feed them peanut butter, and they give me weird looks that are so human it's ridiculous. My clients are of the four-legged variety. You see, I'm an internationally awarded pet photographer and artist located in Melbourne, Australia. Most of the time dogs come to visit my studio, but I welcome all animals, as long as they fit in the studio, that is. Over the last 2.5 years, I've turned over 500 pooches, kitties, bunnies, and ferrets into art. One thing I noticed is how each animal gives me such relatable expressions. Their reactions to the different noises I make or words I use are so unique to each individual, just like people. I believe this is why we have such a strong connection to our furry friends, and I decided it would make a hilarious, adorable series. I show that animals are human-like in my ongoing project titled, Dogs Are the Best People.